How to stop hair fall naturally. By using simple homemade remedies for hair loss, one can stop the hair fall naturally. You have to remember to follow the routine regularly for a month at least to maintain the effect. These ingredients are easily available in the market. Use any of the following easy to make recipes for stopping hair loss. Massage hair with olive and leave overnight. Wash off the next day as usual. Olive oil works as a hair tonic. It is also referred to as liquid gold for the hair. Olive oil is rich in essential fatty acids which keep the hair cuticles moisturized. Boil a handful of henna leaves in mustard oil in a ratio of 4 tablespoons to 1 cup. Filter and store in a sterilized glass bottle. Massage this herbal oil before a head bath every time. If possible, leave it overnight or at least for 30 minutes before washing your hair. This is very effective in treating hair loss. Massage bhongra juice to reduce hair loss. Mix equal amount of almond oil and warm castor oil for head massage at least once a week. Rinse hair with mix of apple cider vinegar and sage tea to help in hair growth. Applying a mix of aloe vera gel and triphala herbal powder for 3 to 6 months. This will help in new hair growth. Massage coconut milk into the roots. Make sure you cover full scalp. Leave for an hour and wash off with warm water. Drinking of coconut water regularly prevents hair fall. Include nuts in your diet. Including amla in any form in your diet will help control hair fall. Whip 1 egg in henna powder and curd and use as a hair mask. This will help prevent hair fall. You have to remember to follow the routine regularly for a month at least to maintain the effect. Thank you. Please subscribe and like to post more videos. How to stop